Okay, friends. Question number 1 to 5. See here, six people P, Q, R, S, T, U are sitting around a triangular table in such a way that three of them sitting at the corner of the table, three are sitting in the middle of the sides. Also, none of the person is adjacent to each other according to their names in the English alphabetical series. That means P can't sit adjacent to Q at the same time. Q can't sit adjacent to R and so on. Yes, leave it. So friends, here total we are having six members. Total we are having six members. Out of six members, here three of them sitting at middle and remain three sitting at the corner. Yes, the one who is sitting at the corners of the table are facing outside. Those one who is sitting at the corner are facing outside. Are facing outside, and the one who sit in the middle of the sides are facing toward the center. Yes, middle is facing towards the center. Yes, so friends, total we are having six members. Out of six members, three of them is at corner, three is at middle. Those one who is at middle are facing inside and corner is facing outside. Leave it. Go for next point. See here. Friends, they mention is for P is at the corner of the table. Yes, friends, check here. They mention is for P is at the corner of the table. Yes, leave it. Next one. R is an immediate neighbor of P. R is an immediate neighbor of P means for R here chance, here also chance. That means there is chance to get two possibilities. Then take here one more possibility. Friends, check here. Total we are having six members. Out of six members, three is at corner, remaining three is at middle. Those one who is sitting at middle are facing inside and corner is facing outside. Yes. Now they mention is what P is sitting at the corner. P is sitting at the corner. Next, R is immediate neighbor of P. R is immediate neighbor of P means for R here immediate neighbor of P here chance, here also chance. Yes, leave it. Next one. One person sit between R and T. One person sit between R and T. Between R and T here we are having one person R, 1% T. Otherwise R 1% T here chance. Next in this case R 1% T. Otherwise R 1% T here also chance. Yes, leave it. Next point. Friends, check here. One person sit between T and S. Suppose if T here means 1% here chance, if S here means 1% T chance, that means one is for T or S, otherwise S or T. This one is for between T and S, 1% means T or S, otherwise S or T. Leave it. Next one. S is immediate left of Q. S is immediate left of Q. Suppose when check here, for Q here chance, here also chance. Suppose if I take here Q, now S is immediate left of Q. That means this one is fixed for S. This one is fixed for S me, this one is fixed for T. Now this one is T me, now this one is what? Here remaining person is what? See here, remaining is what? Here. PQ here, R no chance, here Q no chance and why means? See here, they mention is what? No two persons are sitting together according to the English alphabetical. Here R means here Q no chance. Then this is the possibility for Q. If I take here Q means S is immediate left of T. Yes, sorry, S is immediate left of Q and S is immediate left of Q. That means this one is fixed for yes. This one is S means this one is for T. Now remaining is for U. But T and U both are immediates. Then this possibility no chance. Now friends, here S is immediate left of Q and S is immediate left of Q. Q here chance, here also chance, but Q here no chance. Why means Q and R are adjacent, no chance. Why means no two persons are sitting according to their English alphabetical order. Then this one is what here Q. Now S is immediate left of T. S is immediate left of Q. Sorry, S is immediate left of Q. Now this one is S is immediate left of Q. Means this one is what? Yes. Now this one is what? T. Between S and T, 1%, T and R, 1%. Yes. Now remaining is what? Here, U. Remaining is what? U. So this is the given arrangement. Take questions. Question number 1. See here. Who sits immediate left of P? Who sits immediate left of P? P facing outside. Who is immediate left of P means here? T. So question number 1, answer is what? Option C. Question number 2, how many persons sit between P and S on the table when counted from left of S? Between P and S, how many persons are sitting when counted from left of S? Left of S, 1 here, 2 members here we are having. Then question number 2, option A. Question number 3, who sits tall left of U? U facing outside, first left, second left, tall left. Tall left is what? T. So question number 3, answer is option B. Question number 4, if in the arrangement T is related to Q, now T is related to Q, yes, T immediate right of T is what? Q. Next, and R is related to P. Friends, see here, R is related to B, yes, P immediate right is what? R. In the same manner, P is related to. In the same manner here, P is related to means here T end. See, if in the given arrangement T is related to Q1, T is related to Q, T is immediate right of Q. In the same manner, R is related to P. That means here R is immediate right of P. R is immediate right of P. Then who is related to S and then S immediate right is what? Here S is immediate right is what? Here U. So question number 4 answer is what? Option C. Question number 5. If all the persons reads according to the English alphabetical order, starting from the right of P, then which among the following remains the same in the new arrangement excluding P? Yes, friends, excluding P, starting from P and starting from P. Next one check here, P. Next right up this one, P. Next one is what? Q. Next R. Next one is what? Next one is what? Yes. Next one is what? T. Next one is what? U. Then how many persons positions is same excluding P? Then here only yes and then answer is what? Only 1%. Yes. So question number 5 option B. Question number 6, friends, check here 6 to 7. The again question is from blood relation. Take here A is mother of D. Yes, friends, check here A is mother of D. Take here A is mother of D. Next, who is the father of G? Who qualifies here? D. D is father of G. D is father of G. Next one, B. Who is? Who is means what? B is. B is grandfather of E. B is grandfather of E. Friends, check here B is grandfather of E. That means between E and B, here we are having one generation gap. B is grandfather of E. Next, friends, here is husband of A. Here is qualifies. First person is what? B. B is husband of A. B is husband of A. Yes, friends, here B is husband of A. Next, B is grandfather of E. B is grandfather of E. That means here E is in third generation. E is in third generation. Leave it. Next one. Friends, check here. D. Who qualifies here? D. D has only two children. D has only two children. Next is brother of C. Here is qualifies D. D is brother of C. D is brother of C. Yes. D having only two children, but D is brother of C. Leave it. Next, A has only two children and both of them are of same gender. A has two children, D and C, but both of them having the same gender. Yes, D is male, C also male. Next, F is the paternal aunt of H. F is paternal aunt of H. Next, leave it. Who is the sister of G? Who qualifies here? H is the sister of G. H is the sister of G. Yes, friends, check here. They mention is what? H is the sister of G. H is the sister of G. Next, C has a child. Now, friends, check here. D has only two children. D has only two children, friends. See here. They mention is what? D has only two children. Yes, D has only two children. Now, C has a child. Now, C child is what? Here, E. Friends, they mention is what? F is the paternal aunt of H. F is paternal aunt means what? Father, sister. Father, sister. Now, F is the paternal aunt of here H and A. So, F is the paternal aunt of H means now, friends, check here. H father is what? D. D having sister. Is there any chance? No. Why means here A having only two children. A having only two children. Then, take care. C having wife. C having wife. Then, this one is what? Here, F. Now, F is the paternal aunt of H. How means? Here, H father is what? D. Now, D brother is what? C. C wife is what? F. So here F is see here. Friends, how F is related to D means here sister-in-law. So here H father is what? D. Now this one is what? Here father side. So father side means now F is paternal aunt of H and F is paternal aunt of H. Now this is the given entire information. In general, paternal aunt means what? Father, sister. But here no chance to get me. Then here F is father side only. Why means here D brother is C. C wife is what? F. Take your question. Question number 6. Who is the father-in-law of F? Father-in-law of F and friends, check here. F father-in-law is what? Here B. F father-in-law is what? B. So question number 6 answer is what? Option D. Question number 7. E is the dash of C. E is the dash of C. Friends, here E is the here son, otherwise here daughter. Son, otherwise daughter. So answer is what? Cannot be determined. Why means here we don't know the gender of E. So question number 7 option E. Question number 8 to 9. In a football match, 7 footballers scored a different number of goals. Goals scored by Messi is average number of Messi scores here average number of goals scored by Ronald and Beckham. Friends, check here. Ronaldo plus Beckham by 2 equal to Messi. Now, Messi equal to, see here, the number of goals scored by Messi is average number of goals scored by Ronaldo and Beckham. Who is the top scorer? Yes, friends, check here. Here Beckham is the top scorer. Yes. So friends, check here. Total here we are having 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Now finish what? Here Beckham. Here he scored the top goals. Yes, leave it. Next one. Only Chatri and Neymar scored less than Rooney. Yes, friend, check here. Friend, they mention his part. Take the funny part. Here, Rooney. Now, they mention his part. Only Chatri and Neymar scored less than Rooney. That means here, Chatri and Neymar, these two are the possibilities for Chatri and Neymar. Yes, leave it. Next one. Who does not score more than Ronaldo? Who qualifies here? Rooney. Rooney does not score more than Ronaldo. That means Ronaldo scores more than Rooney. Leave it. Next one. Messi does not score more goals than Villa. That means Villa scores more than Messi. Villa scores here more than Messi. Next one is one. And Chetri does not score less number of goals than Neymar. Then Chetri scores more than Neymar. Yes, friends, okay. Now Chetri scores more goals than here Neymar. Yes. Now, friends, check here. Our requirement is part. Rooney scores more goals than only Chetri and Neymar. Now, Chetri scores more goals than Neymar. Yes. Now, here we don't know about these 3%, but Villa scores more than Messi. But Messi equal to the number of goals scored by Messi is the average number of goals scored by here Ronaldo. This one is part. Ronaldo plus Beckham by 2. Yes. Take question, then it will come on. Next, friends, check here. If Messi scored 57 goals, yes, friends, check here. Now Messi is what? 57 goals. Next, and Beckham scored 85. Now friends, check here. So Messi is 57 and Beckham is what? 85. Now, sorry. Now Beckham is what? Here 85. Now friends, check here. Now the given is what? See here. Messi is 57 plus now Ronaldo plus Beckham is what? Here 85 by 2. Now what is the probable number of goals of Rooney? Yes, now friends, check here. 57 equal to Ronaldo plus 85 by 2. Now this one is what? Here 114. 114 equal to Ronaldo plus here 85. Now 114 minus 85. 114 minus 85. 14 minus 5 means what? This one is what? 9. Now this one is what? Here 10 minus 8 is what? Here 29. That means friends, check here. Here now Ronaldo score is what? 29. Ronaldo score is what? 29. Friends, check here. Ronaldo is 29. Now Messi is what? Here 57. Now Beckham is what? This one is what? 85. Beckham is what? 85. Villa is always more than Messi. Villa is always more than Messi. Now Messi score is what? 57. Now Ronaldo score is what? Friends, check here. Ronaldo score is what? 29. Ronaldo score is what? 29. Yes. Now V is more than M. M is more than Ronaldo. So friends, they mention is what? Ronaldo always scores more than Rooney. See here. They mention here Ronaldo score more than Rooney. See here. Friends, check here. Who does not score more than Ronaldo? That means Rooney does not score more than Ronaldo. That means Ronaldo scores more than Rooney. Yes. Now Ronaldo score is what? 29. Question is what? Rooney score. Now Rooney is what? Less than Ronaldo. Less than 29 means which option is there? So 26 is there. Then this is the answer. Here the mention is what? Probable. Probable means what? There is a chance. So question number 8 answer is option D. Friend, question number 9. If Chetri scored 45 goals, yes, friends, guess Chetri is what? 45 goals, which is 34 less than goals scored by Ronaldo. Now Ronaldo is what? Here 45 plus 34. Now this one is what? 79. Difference between goals scored by Villa and Ronaldo is what? 23. Now Villa is always more than Messi and Villa is always more than Messi. Now friends, check here. Villa is more than Messi. Villa is more than Messi. Next one is what? Here Ronaldo scored here 79 goals. Difference between goals scored by Villa and Ronaldo is what? 23. That means there is chance to take plus 23. There is chance to take minus 23. Plus 23 means what? This one is what? Here 102. Minus 23 means what? 79 minus 23. This one is what? Here 6. This one is what? 56. This one is what? 56. But friends, check here can't be determined. Option is there, but here 1 or 2 option is there. So question number 9 answer is what? Option A. 15% A B C O P Q R S T U V W X and Y and Z are sitting in a three parallel rows. Row number 1 north of row number 2. Row number 2 is north of row number 3. Each row has 5%. All of them are facing north. All the information is not necessarily in the same order. Yes. So friends, total here we are having 3 rows. Total here we are having 3 rows. Yes. So in each row, here we are having 5 members. Here we are having 5 members. But all of them is facing north. All of them is facing north. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, check here. Total here we are having 15 members. Next, all of them is facing north. This one is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Yes, leave it. R sits in the middle of row number 1. Yes, friends, check here. R sits in the middle of row number 1. P and C are diagonally opposite to each other. P and C are diagonally opposite to each other. Leave it. Next one. U sits to the north of B. Who sits to the north of C? U is north of B. Who means what? B. B is north of C. See here. U is north of B. B is north of C. Yes. Now, S does not sit in the same row with V. Now, S is not sit with V. S is not sit with V. Next one. Only one person sit between R and P. Between R and P, 1%. R 1% P chance. R 1% P also chance. Leave it. Next point. Friends, check here. One person sit between R and P. Who sits north of S? Here, who qualifies here? P is north of S. P is north of S. See here. P is north of S. Leave it. Next one. X is north of Y. Now, friends, check here. X is north of Y. X is north of Y. See here. X is north of Y. Who sits? Who means what? Y. Y sits to the northeast of W. Now, Y is northeast of W. See here. X is north of Y. Y is northeast of W. Northeast of W. Next one is for Z sits northwest of W. Now, Z is northwest of W. For W here, east, west, north, south. Z is northwest of W. Next. A is at one of the ends. A is at one of the end. Leave it. Next one. No one sits to the right of C. Take this the clue point. No one sits to the right of C. No one sits to the right of C. That means C is at extreme right end. But U is north of B. B is north of C. Then is the possibility for C. No one sits to right of C. Now B is north of C. Next U is north of B. U is north of B. Yes. Now if you know about U means, friends, check here. Friends, they again one clue point is what? See here. One person sit between R and P. Between R and P here we are having one member. See here. One person sit between R and P. Yes. Now, friends, check here. R 1% P no chance. R 1% is for P. Now, P is north of S. P is north of S means for S here chance. Next, for S here also chance. If in this case P is north of S, next here also P is north of S. Now the given one is what? A sit at one of the end. A sit at one of the end. Then A here chance. Next A here also chance. Yes. Now friends, take next point is what? Friends, okay. X is north of Y. X is north of Y. Next Y is northeast of W. Now X is north of Y. Y is here no chance. Now here X Y means W we can't say. Then take the funny spot. X. Now take the funny spot. Here Y. X is north of Y. X is north of Y. Now Y is, friends, check here. Y is northeast of W. Y is northeast of W means for W here chance. Next here also chance. Yes, friends, check here. Next one is for Z. Next one is for Z. If I take here W means I can't able to take here Z and Y means Z is northwest of W. If I take here W, Z is northwest of W, no chance. Then this one is for W. Now here Z chance, here also Z is chance, here also Z is chance. Yes. Next, friends, check here. Next point is what? See here. Next, S does not sit in the same row with V. Leave one person between. Next, X sits north of Y. This point also completed. Next one is what? Number of persons sit between P and T. Number of persons sit between P and T is same as number of persons sit between C and Q. Now PT equal to CQ and PT equal to CQ. So number of persons between P and T is same as between C and Q. So P and T compulsory must not shoot in the same row. Why means number of persons between P and T is same as between C and Q. That means C and Q are in the same row and P and T are in the same row. That means for Z here no chance. Then this one is what? Here T. Now this one is what? Here Z. Now see here. Friends, take here. X is north of Y. Y is northeast of W. Next Z is northwest of W. Z is northwest of W. Now Friends, check here. Between P and T, how many person? There is no person. P and T no person means now C and Q also no person. Then the funny spot here Q. Last one is what? Who sits? Who sits means what? Q sits second right of O. Now QV second right of O. Now remaining person is what? Friends, check here. Remaining person is what? Here V. Remaining is what? Here V. This is V. This one is what? V. But S is not sitting in the same row with V. That means for S here, no chance. This is the possibility for S. Now P is north of S. S is not sitting in the same row with V. A is at the extreme end. Yes, this is the given entire arrangement. Take first question. Question number 10. Who among the following persons sits third right of the one who is immediate left of Z? Immediate left of Z. A. For this person, third right. First right, second right, third right is what? Y. So question number 10. Answer is option A. Question number 11. In which of the following statement, first person is sits exactly between second and third person in the final arrangement? Yes. First person is sitting exactly between second and third person? Yes. Now friends, check here. V. V is exactly between Z and Y? Yes. V is exactly between Z and Y. First person is exactly between second and third person? Yes. Next, second one. WOQ. 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 First person is exactly sit between second and third? Yes. Second one also true. Third one. RTX. R is exactly between T and X. R is exactly between T and X. Then third one also true. Then answer is what? All are true. Then question number 11, option D. Question number 12. Four of the following five are similar in such a way to form a group. Who among the following does not belong to group? Out of given 5 options, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now A. Friends, A is at the extreme end. A is at the extreme. B is at, friends, check it. B is at extreme end. P is at extreme end. S is at extreme end. W, but W is not at extreme end. So question number 12, answer is what? Option E. Question number 13. Who among the following person sits north of W? North of W is what? V and R. V is there. In the given option, only V is there. So question number 13, answer is what? Option A. Question number 14. Which of the following statement is are false? Yes. So which of the following is false and yes? Take first one. One person sits between A and V. Between A and V, one person. Yes, this one is true. Then leave it. Our requirement is false. R sits immediate left of X. R is immediate left of X. This one also true. Leave. Next. U and S are diagonal opposite to each other. U and S are diagonally opposite to each other. Yes. Then this one also true. Then answer is what? None of the statement is false. Why means given all statements are true. So question number 14, option E. Next, question number 15 to 17. In the chessboard, king is 5 centimeter northeast of queen. Yes, friend, check here. King is 5 centimeter northeast of queen. Suppose friend, check this one is what? Here queen. Now for queen northeast, this one. Now king is 5 centimeter. King is 5 centimeter northeast of queen. Friend, check here. For queen here, east, west, north, south. King is 5 centimeter northeast of queen. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, who qualifies here? Queen. Queen is 8 centimeter north of pawn. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, check here. King is Who qualifies here? Queen. Queen is 8 centimeter north of pawn 1. Yes, friends, check here. Q is 8 centimeter north of Q is 8 centimeter here north of, friends, check here. Q is 8 centimeter north of here pawn 1. Yes, leave it. Next one. Bishop is 7 centimeter to the east of pawn 1. Yes, friends, check here. Now bishop, this one is what? 7 centimeter east of pawn 1. Yes. Now next one is what? Knight is 8 centimeter to the north of bishop. Yes, friends, check here. Now friends, check here. This one is what? Here knight. This one is what? 8 centimeter north of bishop. Yes. Now pawn 2 is 6 centimeter east of knight. Now pawn 2 is, yes, friends, check here. Pawn 2 is, this one is what? Pawn 2 is 6 centimeter east of knight. Yes. Now this is the given entire arrangement. Yes. Now take your first point. What is the shortest distance between queen and pawn 2? Queen and pawn 2 queen and pawn 2. Now this one is what? Queen. Now this one is what? Pawn 2. This distance, see here. This one is what? 7. Now this one is what? 6. Distance between queen and pawn 2. 7 plus 6. Answer is what? 13. Question number 15. Option A. Question number 16. If Rook is to the north of King. Now, friends, Rook is north of King. For King, east, west, north, south. Now, Rook is north of King. Rook is north of King. Then, which direction is Bishop with respect to Rook? So, with respect to Rook, Bishop is which direction? East, west, north, south. Which direction here? Bishop with respect to. So, answer is what? Here, southeast. Answer is what? Southeast. So, from southeast means answer is what? Option B. So, question number 16, answer is option B. What is the shortest distance between Bishop and Pawn 2? This one is what? Bishop. Now, this one is what? Pawn 2. What is this? Shortest distance. Yes. This one is what? Right angle triangle. One side is what? 6. Other side is what? 8. Now, question mark. Now, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. One side 6. 6 square is what? 36. Other square is what? 8. 8 square is what? 64. 64 36 100. Hypotenuse square equal to 100. Hypotenuse equal to 10. So question number 17 answer is option C. Question number 18 to 22. See, 7 boxes A to G are placed one above another but not necessarily in the same order. Each of the boxes has different colors. Yes, they given colors. Friends, take here 7 boxes. See, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one is what? 1. Yes, leave. D is not a red color. Yes, friends, check here. The next one is what? D is not a red color. D is not a red color. Leave it. Next one. See here. They mentioned D is not a red color. Next point. There are only 2 boxes below the green box. Below the green box, here we are having 2 boxes. That means green is placed red. Green is placed red. Box number 3. Green is placed red. Box number 3. Yes. Friends, check here. The next one is what? There are only 2 boxes below the green box. Yes. Next, there are only 3 boxes are between box G and green box. Between G and green box, we are having 3 boxes. Green 1, 2, 3. The is what? Here G. Between green and G, here we are having the 3 box. Downside no chance to take. Leave it. Next one. Gray color box is immediately above C. Check here. The next one is what? See here. Gray color box is immediately above to the C. Gray color is immediately above to the C. Yes, leave it. Next one. So gray color is immediately above to the C. Next, red color is immediately above white. Friends, check here. The next one is what? Red is immediately above the white. Red is immediately above the white. Next, and immediately below the pink. See here. Red color is immediately above the white color box and unqualified first person. First person is what? Red. Red is immediately below the pink color box. Yes, red is immediately below the pink color. Yes, these 3 are the immediate and. See here. Red is immediately above white. Red is immediately below pink. Now, green is immediately above C. Green is immediately above C. Next, box C is a blue color. Yes, friends, check here. C is a here blue color. C is a blue color. Yes, leave it. Next point. Yellow color box is immediately above B. Yellow color box is immediately above B. See here. Take here. Yellow is immediately above B. Next, there are only 2 boxes between pink color box and box F. Between pink and F, here we are having the 2 boxes. Yes, leave it. Next one. Neither A nor D is a gray color. Now, G is not either pink or gray color. Yes, friends, check here. Friend, these 3 are the neighbors and these 3 are the immediates. Pink is just above red, red is just above white. But that means here 3 are immediates means this is the only chance. These 4 are the possibilities. But G is not either pink or gray. G is not pink color means then for sequence starting with here pink, no chance. Now this one is what? Here pink. Now this one is what? Here red. This one is what? Here white. Now pink is just above red, red is just above white. G is not a color. Yes. Now down here we are having 2 persons are immediates. Take care. Gray is immediately above C. Gray is immediately above C. But here C likes blue color. Now gray. Now this one is what? Here C. Now C likes here blue color. Yes. If you know about pink means between pink and F, here we are having 2 box. Now pink 1, 2. This one is what? Here F. This one is what? F. Now remaining color is what? One check here. One check here. Remaining color is what? Yellow. Remaining color is what? Yellow. But yellow is immediately above B. Now remaining only possibility for yellow is what? This one. Now yellow is immediately above B. Yellow is immediately above B. Yes. Friends, taking one more clue point is what? See here. Neither A nor D is a gray color. A and D is not a gray color. That means for A and D, gray color here, no chance. A and D, no chance means now remaining is one. Check here. A and D grey color, no chance at A and D grey color, no chance. Now A completed, B, C, D remaining is what? Here E. Here E likes a grey color. Next D does not like red color. That means for D red color, no chance. Then but D possibility is what? White color. Now A possibility is what? Red color. Yes. This is the given arrangement. Take your question. Question number 18. Which of the following box is red color? Red color box is what? A. Then question number 18. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 19. Box E is which of the following color? E is which color? Grey color. So question number 19. Answer is option C. Question number 20. Which of the following pair is correct? G red. Wrong. Next D yellow. D yellow. Wrong. Next E white. E white. Wrong. Next B pink. B pink. Yes, correct. Then question number 20. Answer is option D. Question number 21. Which of the following box is green color? Which is green color box? Here F. So question number 21. Answer is option B. Question number 22. How many boxes are there between D and box C? Between D and C, how many boxes here we are having? 2 boxes. So question number 22. Answer is option C. See here, next question. 16% count. 16% are sitting around here. 2 circles are sitting around here. 2 circles. Yes, friends, check here. So total we are having 16 members are sitting around here. 2 circles. There is a small circle and inside and the bigger circle tabular. Yes, friends, check here. We are having 2 circles. One is small, other one is big. Smaller one is inside the bigger one. Yes, leave it. Next, the person sitting around the inner circle table are facing outside. Next, the one who sit at the outer circle are facing inside, such a way that the persons are facing each other. And yes, friends, check here. Friends, total here we are having 16 members, and total here we are having 16 members are sitting around here. 2 circles. Those one who is sitting at inner circle are facing outside. Next, outer circle is facing inside, and outer circle is facing inside, and they are facing each other. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, check here. Take first point. C sits immediate right of F, but where is F? We don't know. That means again there can take 2 possibilities. For 2 circles, film question again 2 possibilities means it will take time and leave it. Go for next point. Only 2 persons are sitting between C and J. Next, who faces O? Leave it. G and O sits in the different tables, but we don't know. Leave it. G and O is a different, but G is which one? O is which circle? We don't know. Leave. Next, 2 persons sit between B and M. Next, 4 persons sit between D and F. Next, H sits to the left of G and faces Q. Next, take here. F who faces P. That means F is facing P. Next, faces outside. Yes, F is facing P and facing outside. Here facing outside. This person is qualifies here. F facing outside. See here. F who faces P faces outside. Here outside qualifies here. F is facing outside. F is facing outside means compulsory F is in the inner circle. So F is facing outside, but F faces P. F is facing outside. Friends, check here. F facing outside means F is inner circle, P is outer circle. Yes. Now, if you know about F means, take first point. C sits immediate right of F. Now, C is immediate right of F. F facing outside, C is immediate right of F. Now, A faces C, and next point, A facing C. Take a C. Now, if in spot here, A facing C. Next point is one. The one who faces E sits exactly between N and I, who facing M. 3 persons sitting between O and R, who sits exactly between A and E. Yes, friends, check here. Leave it. Take this point. Only 2 persons are sitting between C and G, who faces O and who faces O. Friends, between C and G, here we are having 2 members. C 1 2. Here G chance. Otherwise C 1 2. This one also here chance. But friends, check here. Our requirement is what? 2 persons sit between C and G. C 1 2 G chance. C 1 2 G also chance. But who faces O? That means G is facing O. G is facing O means here O chance. Next, here also O chance. But our requirement is what? See here. 3 persons are sitting between O and R. Between O and R, here we are having 3 members. If I take here O, 3 members, is there a chance? Take clockwise. 1 2 3. No. Anti-clockwise also? No. That means for O this possibility, no chance. For O no chance means this is the G also no chance. Now between C and G, here we are having 2%. G is facing O. Between O and R, here we are having three persons. Here we are having three members. Yes. Next, friends, check here. The next one is what? The one who faces E sits exactly between N and I. Who facing M? Next, leave it. Three persons sit between O and R. Who sits exactly between A and A? Here, who qualifies here? R. R is exactly between A and E. R is exactly between A and E. R is exactly between A and E. This one is part A. Now, this one is part here E. Now, if you know about E means again before point. The one who faces A, the one who facing E, that means this person sits exactly between N and I. The one who facing A, this person is sitting between exactly between N and I. IN, otherwise NI. Next. Next one is what? Who facing M. Who facing here? Who qualifies here? I facing M. Now the one who facing E sits exactly between N and I, but I is facing M. So who facing E means what? This one. This one is exactly between N and I. So here IN, otherwise NI. If I take here I is facing M, no chance. Then this one is what? Here I, now I is facing M. Now this one is what? N. Now the one who facing A, the one who facing A sits exactly between I and N. Next, M is facing I. M is facing I. Yes. Next point. Friends, if you know about M is, they gain one clue point is what? Two persons sit between B and M. Between B and M, two members. M, 1, 2, B, no chance. M, 1, 2, different is part here. B, different is part here. B. Next, friends, next point is what? See here. Four persons are sitting between D and F. Between D and F, here we are having four members. Here we are having four members. Yes. Friends, check here. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, D chance. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, D also chance. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? Friends, check here. See here. H sits to the immediate left of G. H is immediate left of G. See here. H is immediate left of G and facing Q. And qualifies here H. H is facing Q. H is facing Q. Now, take between F and D four members. F, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is what? D. Take this side and clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4. No chance. Yes. This is the possibility end. Now, remaining person is what? See here. Remaining person in the inner circle is what? Remaining is what? Here? Yes. Remaining is what? Here? Yes. So this is the given entire arrangement and entire arrangement. If you start with first point means it will take more time and take this clue point. That means if they give any clue point, that means F is inner or outer. Take that point, then start. It will become too easy. Take questions. Question number 23. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Which of the following is does not belongs to that group? Yes. Out of given five options, four is same, one is different. Which one is the different? Yes. Yes. S is at inner circle. Next. H is at inner circle. A is at outer circle. A is at outer circle. I is at inner circle. N. Friends, check here. N is at inner circle. Then simple answer is what? Option C. Why means remaining all are inner circle, but A is outer circle. Question number 24. Who among the following facing S? Who facing S here? B. So question number 24. Answer is option E. Question number 25. Who among the following sits third right of N? Third right of N. N facing outside. First right, second right, third right is what? H. So friends, here. Question number 25. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 26. Who among the following is immediate neighbor of Q? Immediate neighbor of Q is what? M and O. So M and O, they give only M. Then simple answer is what? M. Question number 26. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 27. Who among the following sits exactly between P and M? Exactly between P and M. So exactly between P, this one is what? M. Suppose clockwise here O. This side is what? This side is what? Here R. In this case, O is exactly between P and M. In this case, this side means R is exactly between here P and M. Answer is what? O and R. O and R means answer is what? Here O, next here R. So answer is what? Both A and B. So question number 27, option D. Question number 28. What is the code for? The again question is from coding and decoding. Directly solve the question. What is the code for around in the given code language? See, the given one is what? Around. The given one is what? Around. Take friends, around is present in which line? Here we are having around. Next year also we are having around. First line, third line. First line, third line, one check common code. KMJ not there. IMO. Here we are having IMO. Here IMO. Any other codes are same. AQP. Here AQP. Here AQP. Here also AQP. Here around is not there. So AQP no chance. ASC. Here ASC is not there. So First line, tall line common information is around, common code is for IMO. Question number 28, answer is option B. Question number 29, which of the following code is coded as IPO? Friends, check here, IPO. Here we are having IPO, here also we are having IPO. Then second line, third line, common information is IPO. Then check common code. Second line, third line. Here we are having square, here also we are having square. Next, whether square is present in remaining lines? No. Next, around, not there. Next, circle. Next, cube. Friends, here we are having cube. Next, here also here we are having cube. Whether cube is present in other lines? No. Then, what is the code for IOP means? What the code for IOP mean? That means here two informations are same means here compulsory two codes should be same. Two codes should be same. Here DFG, here also we are having DFG. So what the code for IPO means? We can't say square or cube. So answer is what? Cannot be determined. Question number 29, option E. Question number 30, what is the code for perimeter in the given code language? Yes, perimeter. Friends, check here. Perimeter is present in first line and last line. Check once first line, last line, common code. KMJ, KMJ. KMJ is there, KMJ. DRE are there. AQP. AQP here also it is there. Then here perimeter is not there. Then ASC. Here ASC, here ASC. But here perimeter is not there. Then perimeter code is what? KMJ. So question number 30, answer is what? Option D. Question number 31, if around the world, friends check here. If around the world is called as IMO, AQP, YTR, then what may be? Maybe means what? There is a chance. Code for new world in the given code language. New world. Friends, one check here. World is present in. Friends, check here. World is present in which line? So friends, check here. New world. New is present in. Not there. Yes. Friends, check here. World. Check here. World. So friends, here world also remaining lines not there. Eliminate these two codes around and the. So IMO also here there. Eliminate. Next. AQP also there. AQP also there. Then that means around and D is eliminated. See around and D is eliminated. Why means around and D remaining lines it's common means here common codes are IMO, AQP are there. IMO, AQP are there. Then world code is what? YTR. World code is what? YTR. But they given one is what? New. Whether new is present in our given lines? Not there. If it is not there means the code for that one is what? One new code. One new code. Here they mention one is what? Possible and they mention one is what? Possible. Then friends check here. YTR should be present. IMO. No. Why means IMO is already here there. Here new. This word is not present in our given information. Then code is what? New code. That means except given codes. IMO is there means IMO not. For this one no chance. First option. Second option. YTR is there. XYZ. XYZ is there. XYZ not there. Then this is only answer. This is only answer. Yes. Why means new information is new. New code is for XYZ. Then answer is what? XYZ YTR. Question number 31. Option B. Question number 32. What is the code for equal in the code language? Yes. The given is what? Equal. Friends check here once equal. Equal is present in which line? See here. Here we are having equal. Remaining lines it's not there. Then check once. Eliminate. Only information is equal. Then only code. KMJ eliminate. Next DRE. Next AQP eliminate. ASC eliminate. Then equal code is for DRE. Answer is for DRE. So there is no option. Then answer is for none of these. Question number 32. Answer is option E. Question number 33 to 35. Here again questions are from syllogism. Take a statement. First read the statement. They give information. Which of the following conclusions are logically follows? Take your first one. All letters are world. Sorry, all letters are words. All letter is a word. Next, all word is a sentence. All word is a sentence. Next, only few sentences are long. Now, some sentence is a long. Some sentence is a long. Friend, this one is letter and this one is letter. Some sentence is a long. At the same time, some part of sentence is not long. Some part of sentence is not long. Yes. Take first conclusion. All letter being long is a possibility. Friends, check here. All letter being long is a possibility. Letter and long relation is for we can't say. We can't say means all letter being long. There is chance to draw diagram like this. Then this one is simply true. Next, second one. Some words are long. Some words are long. Word and long relation is for we can't say. Then second one is wrong. Third one. Some sentences are not long. Some part of sentence is not long. Yes. Then last one also true. Then answer is what? 1 and 3 are true. 1 and 3 are true means answer is what? Option C. Question number 33. Option C. Question number 34. Friends check here. No wallets are belt. Friends check here. Wallet. No wallet is a belt. All belt is a leather. All belt is a leather. Only few belts are pocket. Now, some belt is a pocket, some belt is a pocket. At the same time, some part of belt is not pocket. Yes. Take first one. Some leather is not valid. Some leather is not valid. Yes. Why means no wallet is a belt. Then no belt is a wallet. No belt is a wallet means belt is some part in leather. Then some part of leather is not valid. First one is true. Second one. All valid being pocket is a possibility. Friends, check here. Friends, we know no belt is a here valid. No belt is a valid means in belt here pocket is some part. Some part of pocket is not valid. But valid to be we can't say. All pocket being valid is a possibility. Wrong. Why means already some part of pocket is not valid. But all valid being pocket is a possibility. Correct. Why means I am able to draw the diagram like this. This one is correct. Yes. Second one is true. Third one. Some belt are not pocket. Some belt is a not pocket. Friends, see here. Some part of belt is not pocket. Yes, this one is true. Then answer is what? All are true. Question number 34. Answer is what? All follows option E. Question number 35. All blood are liver. Friends, blood. This all blood is a liver. All blood is a liver. Only few blood are not heart. Some blood is a heart. At the same time, some part of body bloody. Some part of blood is not heart. Next, some heart are not kidney. Take a heart. Some part of heart is what? Not kidney. Take first conclusion. Some kidney are not blood. Some kidney is not blood. We can't say. We know some part of heart is not kidney. Kidney to blood relation is what? Can't say. First one is what? Wrong. Second one. Some liver are not kidney. Some liver are not kidney. Liver and kidney relation is what? Can't say. Second one also wrong. Next. Third one. Some blood are not heart. Some blood is not heart. Some blood is not heart. Some part of blood is not heart. Yes, this one is true. The answer is what? Only third follows. Question number 35. Option C. Question number 36. How many even numbers are there? Yes, one check it. The next one is what? How many even numbers are there? Which are immediately preceding. Preceding means what? Before. Preceding by a number. Preceding by a number. As well as immediately followed by a symbol. Immediately followed by a symbol. Even number preceding is number but followed by symbol. Yes. One check it. Even number preceding by number. Even number preceding by number. No. Next. Even number preceding by number. Preceding by number. See here. Even numbers are there which are immediately preceded by a number. Preceding by number as well as immediately followed by symbol. Yes, followed by symbol. Then 2, 6 at the rate. Next. Next one is for next even number. Even number preceding by here number. No. Even number preceding by number. No. That means here we are having only one. Question number 36. Option A. Question number 37. What is the multiplication of? What is the multiplication of numbers? What is the multiplication of numbers? Which first number from the left hand? First number from left hand is what? Here 7. And second number from the right hand. 1 to second number is what? Here 4. Now 7 into 4 is what? 28. Question number 37. Answer is what? Option D. Multiplication of first number from left hand, second number from right hand. From right hand first number is 8, second number is what? 4. Now 7 into 4 is what? 28. Question number 37. Option D. Question number 38. If all the even numbers are removed. Yes, one check here. The next one is what? Even numbers are deleted. Leave it. Next one. Then which of the following is fifth element to the left of ninth from right hand? Fifth left, ninth right. Both are opposite. Opposite means what? Yeah. 5 plus 9 is what? 14. Question is ending with which hand? Right hand. Then resultant direction is what? Right hand. Now 14 from right hand but delete even numbers. Count only odd numbers and symbols. One check here. So one check here. 14 from right hand. By default left hand. This one is what? Right hand. 1, 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, next 11, 12, 13, 14 is what? Copyright. So question number 38. Answer is what? Option D. Copyright. Friends, if they mention like that, even numbers are deleted means don't delete. Count remaining and why means for deleting and counting it will take time. So question number 38. Answer is option D. Question number 39. Friends, okay. If last 10 elements are reversed, last 10 elements, check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These elements are reversed and elements are reversed. That means after 9, sequence should be start from plus. Don't reverse and don't reverse. After 9, sequence should be starting from plus and. Why means these are reversed. These are reversed. Leave. Which of the following is 12th from left hand? 12th from left hand. Counts once 12th from left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, that means after this one, sequences should be start from plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th one is part. Here there exists E type. Then answer is part. Option C. So question number 39, answer is part. Option C. Friends, here, if they mention like that and first 10 elements are reversed like that means don't reverse, just indicate arrow marks. Here last 10 elements are reversed me, then from 9 onwards sequence should be starting from plus. So question number 39, answer is part. Option C. Question number 40, what the difference between sum of all the even numbers and sum of all odd numbers? Yes, sum of all even numbers, sum of all odd numbers. Even numbers 2, 6, next one is part 4, 8. Here 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, total is what? 20. Sum of even number is 20. Sum of odd number 7, 9, 5, next 3. So friends, here 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 3 is what? 24. Then difference is what? Here 4. So question number 40, answer is what? Option D,